Ka surkar jela kalarai ban pyndam no ia ka jingthmu ban pynkylla surok 4 lane ia ka surok na Umiam Ri-bhoi District Shadu Shillong East Kasihel District. Ia ka nela pentip daw sembut menteri rangba ka surkar jela khami ia ka tenat PWD road uba prestun tensong ha ka cingi keren syakilat patai kubor ha ka arplai terip jelew arajar arpusan. Uba prestun ulai thu uba dangshan ula lum jingelang bishar kam hanong ba Delhi ha pedeng ka tenat National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Ha ka jinge don lang ki officer ka tenat PWD road ka surkar jela. Uba prestun ulai thu uba ha ka kaipot banengkong bala penlong ka NHIDCL kala kadewsyai ba kamlong ban pynkylla surok 4 lane ya ka surok na Umiam Ri-bhoi District Shillong East Kasihel District.
Sorry?
Umiam alternate.
Yes, again, recently I had a meeting with the managing director of the NHIDCL in Delhi. As I told you a few months back, the NHIDCL has already started solving and preparing all the groundwork to convert the Umiam up to Shillong road into a 4-lane road. But ultimately, the preliminary report that they received from the ground is that it is not feasible, not possible to go for the elevated road because the cost is too much. It is beyond the expectation. So ultimately, that day when I had a meeting with them along with my team from the PWD, so we decided to abandon that idea of converting it into 4-lane. But this time we are going to stick to the double lane, the existing one, but it should be 10 kilometers width, 10 kilometers width, including the pavement.